Ciao Tesla people, I got a notification on my phone that there is a software update and it's the 2024.26.7. It's actually downloading right now and I'm downloading through the access point that I set up on my phone. It's downloading pretty fast at 2.8 megabits per second, which is good, but 2.9, 3.2, wow. Anyway, I'm going to download this and then start the installation. Most likely is just bug fixes, at least from what I researched and from the screenshot here on the phone, on the app. It says mostly bug fixes and improvements. So we'll see if anything changes. Sometimes there are changes that you can tell. Other times it takes 2-3 days to figure out if there are any undocumented changes. We'll see. Anyway, I'm going to do the download. We'll do the process to install, and then I'll do a time lapse of the installation. I will fix it so that it's like 2 or 3 seconds for you guys, and I'll measure how long it will take. Probably around half an hour. That's what it takes usually in bug fixes. 25, half an hour. I will see. Anyway, download is going on. I'll catch you. I'll be back when I start the installation. So the download of the software update is done. So let's start from here. I have the app here on the phone and the display. So let's start from the screen. And you can say install and it will come down. Let's tap here. So it will go directly to the installation and done. So the installation started. And even on the phone you see installing 2024.26.7 and it's at 10% already. Well, already. Anyway, so I'll do the installation and I'll get back to you as soon as it's done, and we'll see if there are any changes, okay? No. So I'm done with the installation. Again, it's 2024.26.7. Let's check release notes. It says minor bug fixes. So looks like there are no features. Let's check here if there is a blue dot. Nothing. And on the list here, nothing. Okay. So looks like there is a minor bug fixes improvements. We'll see in the next few days. Usually people discover undocumented changes. We'll see if there are any, or if there are bug fixes that are obvious and they're being fixed. We'll see. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel to know notification, and next video is going to be Amazon Music installation. Okay, I'll see you next video.